English listening test for beginners. Surprise birthday. I will be speaking and you will listen carefully and try to fill these two blanks. There are two questions. I want you to read these questions. You have 10 seconds to read these questions. Now, the recording is going to play, so listen carefully. Hi Max, I hope you are doing well. I have something to tell you. Lisa's birthday is coming this week, and there are a few things to do. I want you to complete these tasks. First of all, Lisa likes chocolate cake. So, order it in time, and secondly, she doesn't know our plan. I hope you wrote your answers. Let's move on next questions. I want you to look at these questions 3 to 5 and after that you will listen this recording. You have 10 seconds to read these questions. Now, listen carefully and find your answers. I have selected the venue. The birthday will be celebrating at the restaurant. Actually, I am a little bit busy. That's why I am asking you to do it. Everyone will be coming at 6 p.m., but you have to come at 5:30 p.m. I will also be there at 5:30 p.m. Now, you have 10 seconds to look at these questions from 6 to 9. Now, listen carefully and write down your answers. One more thing. Could you please buy some candles as well? Lisa is going to be 14 years old this week. I am going to give her a new laptop. She has been wishing for it for a few weeks. I hope you will be able to do it and reply me when you get my message. See you soon. This is the end of this listening test. Check your answers. I hope you liked this video. If you liked, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon as well. And let me comment below how many answers did you get right and watch this lesson. Take care, see you next time.